Some parts of New Jersey still dealing with flooding after heavy rain came through our area this week.
Yeah, this as the Passaic River, which has caused problems during the previous storm, is expected to crest today. Let's get right to Briella Tomassetti. She's been in Little Falls, New Jersey all morning, and she has the latest. Good morning, Briella.
Yeah, Tashani and Rosanna, good morning to both of you. We were here in Little Falls also a few weeks ago, right before Christmas. The situation was a lot worse. Thankfully not as bad, but we're still keeping an eye on things. And as the sun comes up, you can really see the Passaic River behind me. It is starting to creep up here into the streets. You can see the river is flowing rather quickly. Some of that runoff is coming up onto this boat ramp and slowly has been inching its way up into this neighborhood. A couple of police vehicles made their way down the block before to check in on things to make sure they don't have to close any roads. That is not the situation just yet. Governor Murphy, in the meantime, is coming here at 10:15 to look at things for himself. Before New Jerseyans had time to recover from the last storm, they were inundated with another, which dumped more than 4 inches of rain over some parts of the state. For some, it was deja vu all over again.
The ground was saturated when it started raining again, and it's even more saturated now. The next one's coming. Especially in hard-hit areas like Lincoln Park, where the Pompton and Passaic rivers meet.
This happens 3 times a year in this area right here.
And in Lodi, where the Saddle River transformed into a raging torrent. Emergency crews had to navigate submerged streets as they tried to repair a bridge damaged by a shipping container carried away by strong currents. Those who didn't evacuate in time had to be rescued from the powerful flash floods.
It was like 10 o'clock at night. It was fine, and then all of a sudden, like around 11 or 12 o'clock, then it just started going up.
Governor Murphy toured the flood-ravaged Bergen County neighborhood last night and called for more federal funding to help homeowners.
Our hearts are with the homeowners who are getting whacked by this. We're going to do everything we can to try to qualify for federal money. That's a very high bar, but that doesn't mean we're not going to try.
But the worst may not even be over. According to the National Weather Service, some rivers will continue to rise or remain at dangerously high levels through the end of this week, prompting new fears after an already arduous cleanup.
The problem is that this has been happening for 30, 35 years nonstop.
Another live look for you here at the Passaic River, which is quickly flowing on behind me. There's also a pump station on site. They're taking a little bit of the flood water and throwing it back into the river. Now, this part of the Passaic is at a moderate flood stage right now. It is expected to crest at around 7 o'clock tonight. That is when we can expect the worst, and we can also expect a major flood stage to linger around perhaps through the end of this weekend, actually through Saturday is what we're hearing from the National Weather Service. For now, we're live here in Little Falls. Tashani, back to you.
Could be a big problem, Briella. We'll continue to watch it. Thank you.